You know what I hate doing most after a party?
Trying to find your underwear in the big pile?
Oh, you don't have to worry about me, honey. I never get sick. I take very good care of myself. I treat my body like a temple.
Yeah, open to everyone, day or night. Hi, Blanche.
Must you always be so cheerful, you empty-headed Mary Poppins knockoff? This is strictly off the record, but Dirk's nearly 5 years younger than I am.
And what, Blanche? Dog years? Now, Ma, remember, don't do anything I wouldn't do.
I think I crossed that line when I got a date.
Flirting is part of my heritage. What do you mean?
Her mother was a slut, too.
Can I ask a dumb question?
Better than anyone I know.
Oh, I never should have watched it either. It always upsets me, especially that shower scene. Well, it's the reason I prefer not to shower alone.
Sure, Blanche. And Goldilocks and the Three Bears is why you prefer not to sleep alone.
Jealousy is a very ugly thing, Dorothy. And so are you in anything backless. And Agnes said you were a lot of hot air, and you said she was just jealous because she wasn't getting any? And I said, getting any what? And you said rice pudding, Rose?
Hi, Blanche.
Eat dirt and die trash.
Dabbled a little in poetry writing in high school.
Oh, well, that's nothing to be ashamed of. A lot of tall girls who couldn't get dates wrote poetry in high school.
You'll have to excuse my mother. She survived a slight stroke, which left her, if I can be frank, a complete burden.
I think she's a Gurkhananakan.
Well, what exactly does that mean?
Literally, it's the precise moment when Dog Dude turns white.
I was never a night person either, until I blossomed into young womanhood and realized I was even more devastating by moonlight.
Sophia, why are you in such a bad mood? Forgive me, Rose, but I haven't had sex in 15 years and it's starting to get on my nerves. Arrested for prostitution. I can't believe it.
Sophia, we're innocent.
I know that. I can't believe these dumb cops would think anyone would pay money to sleep with you.